All right, what's going on, folks? It's your guy, Terry James, your mortgage guy, coming to you one more time. Today, what we're going to be talking about is going to be renovation loans, what you can do with them, the benefits of them, and how you can use them. All right, so make sure you take notes, take a listen, and enjoy. So one of the things is, what people don't know is what is a renovation loan, right? So what that is essentially is you're able to do upgrades to your home, whether it's purchase, whether you're looking to refinance. A renovation loan allows you to finance the upgrades into the cost of your loan. Okay, so when we're talking about the purchase side, you're looking at, you're going around looking at a house. Let's say you love everything about it except the kitchen, for example. You can sit there and take, 30,000, finance the cost of that 30,000, upgrade the home as you purchase it, and include that cost in the loan that you're purchasing. Okay, so that's a really big deal. It's a really thing that people, a lot of people don't really know about, but it's considered a renovation loan. Now, the difference is that a lot of people, are familiar, have heard about like a 203K, FHA 203K loan. That's what they call them, construction loans. But it's not just necessarily construction. We're talking, small upgrades, 30,000, $35,000, to upgrade your kitchen, your bathroom, little stuff like that you want done when you purchase a home. You can actually finance that into the cost of your loan. So it's a really big deal. And we got to get, let people know because it can be an option for you. And so the other thing too is that, there's a stigma, or there's always been something about renovation loans where it's just FHA, you got to do a FHA loan. What a lot of people don't know is that you can actually do a conventional loan and do a conventional renovation loan. So you can do a conventional product, not FHA, to where you have the, the finance fee and all that stuff, but you can do a conventional loan and do a renovation loan with that and include the cost to do your upgrades, to do things to the house, to customize it when you purchase a home. Okay. And so the thing of it is, the benefit is, is essentially that when you purchase a home, most home buyers, when you buy a home, at some point you're gonna do upgrades. Okay, that's why Home Depot is in business. That's why Lowe's is in business, is because everybody is gonna upgrade your home at some point. The beauty of the renovation loan is, what if you can do that when you purchase the home? What if you can make the home into the home you want right from the start, when you purchase it? So it's a really good product that, that's worth taking a look at when you're out there looking, because, it also opens up different homes, especially in this market that we're in where it's low inventory. It's hard to, find a home that you really like. But the benefit is that now, what if you can take a home that you're like, I'm not sold on this, on the bedroom. I'm not sold on this, the kitchen, the bathroom. And what if you could just say, okay, well, why don't we change that? Why don't we upgrade it? Do things that you want done to it. And that's where the renovation product becomes a very beautiful thing. And it allows you that access and that ability to make the home into the home you really want from the beginning. And so that's a good thing about it. With the renovation product, with the renovation loan. And there's always been a thing that, it's just FHA. It's not FHA. You can go conventional and do a renovation loan with a conventional product. So, of course, you got to check with your lender, see if they do them. Not every lender does them. So that's the first thing. You want to make sure, you check with your lender to do that. Of course, I'm talking about it, so, contact me, let me know if you have questions. I definitely can get that done for you. All right. And then you say, as far as some of the benefits, what it does is that it allows you that opportunity to do those upgrades on the home, from the beginning. But the other great thing that many people don't know about is that you can actually use the renovation loan to get a income producing property, to get an income producing thing. So let me explain that. So what that means is that, I don't know if you're familiar with like ADUs, accessory dwelling units. So a renovation loan can be used to build a ADU. Okay, we're talking conventional or FHA. Okay, what that means is that if you are, for example, if you're purchasing or refinancing, if you're purchasing a home and there is room on the property for you to get a accessory dwelling unit added on, okay? What you can do is that you could do a renovation loan, include the cost of that ADU unit. Okay, and what they're going to do is say, okay, based upon you adding this, you actually get the future value with that ADU unit being added on. So instantly your equity is going to be increased just because you have the ADU unit on there. Now, the beauty of it is that now once you have the ADU unit, so now that you've purchased and you've added that, so now you have an income producing property, which means you can now rent out your accessory dwelling unit and create income from that. And so, if you rent that out, depending on where you are, you rent out a 1-2 bedroom, no matter what it is, it's going to be added increase. And all of this can be financed into one loan. So you have one loan on your home that includes the ADU unit, but you're going to now be able to have income from that ADU unit. And all of this can be done with the renovation loan, okay? And so, you could do it with the FHA, you can do it with conventional. It's a very awesome thing. And essentially how it works, like I said, just so, let me backtrack, make sure I didn't lose anyone. So what it does is it takes a purchase. Let's say you're purchasing a home at $500,000. So you purchase a home at $500,000. Your ADU unit is going to cost, we'll say, $100,000. Okay, to make it easy. What we're going to do is you get that finance, $600,000, but the value of your purchase and your loan to value is going to be based on your property with the ADU unit. So with that being on there, you now get the equity of that unit being included on your property. So your house is not going to be worth $500,000. It's going to be worth whatever it is with that. So $600,000 plus with the ADU unit. Okay. So that's the beauty of this thing, and that's the benefit of it. And now you get not only increased, value, but you also get the income producing. So those are things that we have to start looking at in this marketplace to be creative. And this is a way to, increase your income, because the whole point of buying a home is also not only the equity, but how can I generate wealth? How can I generate income? And so these are some of the things that we got to start looking at, on the purchase. And even if you're refinancing, so let's say you own a home and you have enough space, to add on an accessory dwelling unit. You can actually refinance with the renovation loan, include the cost into one loan, include that cost into it, and now you have an income producing property on your home. So now you can refinance with that, create some income, and now you're looking at building more wealth, more equity. Okay. Now, just to backtrack just a little bit. When we're talking about purchase, if you're just saying, okay, hey, I just want to upgrade, I don't like the bathroom, the hall bathroom, or I don't like the master bathroom, in this house. So you can take, 25, 30,000. There's really no particular minimum requirement, to do the upgrades or to include that. But, you can take 20,000, include that in your loan, and then renovate that bathroom before you even move in, or while you're moving in, or once you buy the property, once you purchase it, once you buy it, and now that stuff is getting done for you. So these are some great things, great tools and benefits that you can take advantage of. Like I said, the renovation product is something that's pretty amazing. Make sure you comment, make sure you ask me questions if you have any. Contact me if you are interested, if you have any questions about this product, taking a look at it and the tool that it can benefit you. And even realtors, if you're a realtor and you're listening, you got to start, trying to help people get into home, your buyers, because, many people are going out several times. Oh, they don't like this out. They don't like this one. They didn't like this about it. Well, what if you can offer and say, okay, you like everything about the home except for this? Well, why don't you try and upgrade it? And you know, it's such a great thing because now you're sitting at a home and it's customized just for you. You know, you get the countertops that you want, you get the cabinets you want. And these are the things that start to become real because now you're like, oh, okay, I can see the house like this now. I can see this now. So, you know, it's like, yeah, I don't like, you know, the way they have this. Okay, well, what if we can change that for you? You know, what if you can get it exactly how you want it? So these are some great things that you can start to take advantage of, take a look at. But that's pretty much how the renovation loan works in short. Everyone has always talked about it as being, you know, just a 203K FHA construction loan, but that's the renovation loan is much more than that. It's not just FHA. You can go conventional and you can upgrade little things such as the bathroom, your bedroom, you know, add on to the kitchen, different things you can do. With the renovation loan, you can even add on a bedroom. Okay, so yeah, I said bedroom. So that's pretty crazy, right? So if you find a home and let's say, you know, you love the home, but you want an extra room. With the renovation loan, you can actually build an extra room on your home and finance that when you purchase it. So for example, you know, a lot of people are working from home, right? And you say, okay, I need an office space or I need an extra room. Well, if the property and the land can add on a room, you can actually do a purchase, include the cost of your office space into that home. Okay. And now I know that one of the things you can do, and now there's some tax advantages that you can even take advantage of if you are working from home. You know, I'm not a CPA, but talk to your tax person about the cost. You know, if you're working from home, how that can even be deducted from your taxes. So there's a lot of opportunity out here. Not only can you add on rooms, not only are we talking about income producing, but we're talking about making the home into the dream, into the dream of your homes. So it's a really great thing. Like I said, it's pretty awesome to take advantage of, but these are all the things that can be done with the renovation loan. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, like I said, make sure you comment, like the video, share it, and let me know if there's anything else you guys want me to talk about. Take care.